Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating a Wollensak, I believe it's an 8075, yeah. This comes from John in Montgomery, Alabama, and the vast majority of Wollensaks have a motor failure, and that was the deal with this one. So we've got a new adjustable speed motor. Let's check her out, make sure everything works before we send her back. Blank spot there. There's our auto eject function there. Okay, that takes care of that. That's not much to test on a home unit. Just make sure it plays, switches tracks, and all that. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling to ask all about my options, prices, and turn times, because those answers are already in the work order. And you're welcome to call me once you've got a work order in your hand. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, John, for your business all the way from Montgomery, Alabama, and we'll see you guys next time.